Well, in case you're wondering what you're looking at, this is a tube lens for a point and shoot camera, and that was the component that I had adjusted to give me the type of camera shots that I'm getting right now at nearly 2 feet working distance. That's a penny, by the way. Yeah, we're at 2 feet, and I'm holding this by hand. So, and I can even zoom in a little bit more. So, yeah, that's with the digital zoom there. I can go back out a little bit. But yeah, those are really tiny connectors. It's hard to stay, you know, without jittering and stuff. But yeah, I'm not gonna pay $20,000 for a Cargano microscope. No way. It's 2 feet away. Can you believe that? I am blown away. My soldering work videos are going to be pretty good from now on. I mean, I'm going to have plenty of headroom. I mean, 2 feet, that's plenty. What do you think?